Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope everyone is doing good in life. So today is the ninth day of Pure Lead Code Challenge, and today's question is basic question, that is binary tree in order traversal. So I would like to explain what is in order traversal. In order traversal means first you travel to the left node, then to the root node, then to the right node. That is left, root, right. Very simple. Most of you must have been knowing what is an order traversal. So let's jump to the code and let's see the code directly. Okay. So this is the code. So first what we're gonna do is in the function, vector int function, first we will be going to define a vector int because we have to return a array. Okay, that's a vector. Then we'll be calling this function, that is in order traversal. We call this function. Make sure you're calling it with this ampersand because you are calling by reference. Okay, so then we will do the basic in order traversal, then we'll do the pushback here, then it would be like the vector vt has been pushed back with all the values, and that's it. In order traversal is done. So this is how you're going to solve this question. I would like to submit it and show you. Okay, you can see that it's accepted. So here's a catch. Can we have done this by recursive way? So here's a challenge for you. Can you do this by help of iterative manner? If yes, just pin the solution down in the comment section what you're gonna do and how you're gonna do. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. With this, bye bye, take care.